everyone, today we're going to make an nice and easy chocolate brownie. Our ingredients we'll need 4 teaspoons of flour, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of the cocoa, and 2 teaspoons of these, which is oil and water, and a quarter of vanilla essence. Now let's put it in. 1, 2, 3, and another 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, and 2. Let's pour our 2 teaspoons of oil in. Now the water. Now for the vanilla essence. Get a grown-up to help you mix. I don't really need it. When it's all mixed, it will look like that. Now that it's mixed, we can put it in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. Now the timer has gone off. We need a grown-up to help you get it out. Once you have let the brownie cool down, let's put some ice cream on. 1. I'm using 2. Let's taste it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep on eating it.